The harmonious relationship between man and nature is synonymous with biodynamics farming. It's a holistic and ethical approach where farming, food, and nutrition go hand in hand. Most biodynamic initiatives seek to embody triple bottom line approaches: ecological, social, and economic sustainability. Today, the movement encompasses thousands of agricultural fields in a wide variety of climates, ecological and economic settings. Biodynamic farmers strive to create a diversified, balanced farm ecosystem that generates health and fertility as much as possible from within the farm itself. A symbiotic relationship between man and nature. Many biodynamic practitioners recognize that the social element is an important aspect of sustainability. They work in creative partnerships with schools, medical and wellness facilities and other organizations to help to improve the well-being of the community. They recognize that the farms are not just isolated units. People live around and work on them. Biodynamic farming is thus not just a holistic agricultural system, but also an effective approach for new thinking and practices in all aspects of life connected to food and agriculture. Its principles, when adopted, help to create a perfect balance between man and nature.